Okay, hey, so that was a quick time lapse of exactly what I'm working on right now today, and I'm here at my house. You can probably see my kitchen back there in the background, and there's the patio. So I'm working here at home today because I ran out of studio time, and I'm in the studio almost every single day this week, but I needed to get a few other catalog photos and stuff done for one of the clients that we're working on, working with Red Velvet Ink, and we are doing their rebrand. She's got all the label and branding and everything that she's doing, and then I handle all of the photography side of it. So we're creating photos right now that are going to be for the catalog storefront. I call them catalog images because they're like those on-white images that a lot of people have in a catalog or in their online storefront. So when you want to take your product and be able to show it off just on white, that's what we're capturing here. So to tell you real quick about my setup, if you have any questions, it is just the two whiteboards. I always choose whiteboards just to reflect light, even though in the end of the day, we're going to be editing these out so that they're just on a white background. The next thing is that my reflector, so I can capture some of the natural light coming in this way. Might as well use it because it's there. And then I have my huge light here, my strobe light, which is connected then to my camera. And as you see with my camera, I'm doing things a little bit differently than my normal fashion. I keep my camera on a tripod when I am doing these kinds of photos, because with these types of photos, it's extremely important that everything is as clear as it possibly can be. So I have it sitting on the tripod so that I can make sure that there's no movement, that every single shot is almost exactly the same from the exact same angle every single time. And that way, whenever you put everything on the actual storefront, it doesn't feel like different photos are in different positions and so forth. And then some of that also has to do with cropping. So I leave a lot of extra white space so that we're able to crop the products as we'd like for them to be on that storefront. So that's what I'm working on today. I thought I'd give you guys a quick behind the scenes. I'll show you a sneak peek of what one of the pictures look like, just so you can kind of get an idea of the type of detail and things that we're going for with these types of photos. Nice clean picture. I can kind of zoom in a little bit here. It's got the picture of the label. You're able to read everything, and then there's the product itself. So again, just a great opportunity to show that off and then have those on your website for a nice clean look. So my question to you is, when was the last time you've looked at your product storefront online and updated the pictures? If you've rebranded or changed your labeling, are all of the things current? Or do you need to invest in photos like this because you have nothing but styled images, which makes your page feel a little bit cluttered and harder for your user to get exactly what they're looking for and be able to identify it and find it right away? There's something to think about. Or if you have any questions, you can set up a free consult with me. We can chat about it over the phone and kind of go over the details of how it works and how it can change the way that your brand looks online. Otherwise, stay tuned for more tips again here very soon.